Good morning. Today we will see how to use Multisim Live Simulator online. See the website of Multisim Live Simulator. See the features of Multisim Live Simulator. There are some features given in this site. Then now we will see the pricing for this Multisim Live online circuit simulator. Now we will see in circuit menu public circuit, reference circuit and groups are the sub menus. In public circuit we can see the various electronics circuits prepared by technical persons. We will search in the search option. Please see diodes. We can see a half wave rectifier circuit. We will see the circuit. We will open the circuit, and after open the circuit we will simulate online. And the circuit prepared by various technical persons and save as a public. For this simulation we require login for this circuit, for this Multisim Live simulator. Let us see login procedure. Click on the login button. Now enter first you can sign up for free. This ID and password we can log in this websites. After login your account, then the account will open. In this account we can see the circuit which made by public, or we can create a new circuit by pressing create circuit button. After pressing the buttons on the desktop, see the home page of circuit. There on the left side there are some sub menus. First for voltage, add text. Also we have a digital power source. Then we can see ground button. Then we can see AC source, DC source, DC current source, AC current source. Just place this source on this page. Then we can see the resistance component, capacitor, inductors, potentiometer, transformer, couple, inductors. In this category, analog category, we see an op-amp, timers. In diode category we see diode, Zener diodes, LEDs and general purpose diodes. In transistor category there are numbers of transistor symbols are given, and also in indicator category lamps, LED and buzzers are given. In switches category numbers of switches are given, and these are the some modeling blocks. These are the electromechanical in a relay, combination relay, and in power is the linear integrators or regulators, and in digital we see digital constant, AND gate, OR gate or NAND gate. So see with resistance, we place the resistance in this page. We can change the value of this resistance by dragging or change from the right side also. Now we place another resistance in series with this resistance. We can set the value of this resistance also. Then we can place an DC voltage source to these two resistance. We can change the directions. We can change the value of this power source. Now connect these two resistance. Just drag the pointer from one end to another end. Please see how I will connect the component to each other. Just drag the pointer of component, then circuit will be completed. We can change voltage source as shown. Now we will connect an voltmeter and ammeter. These are the voltmeter. Place behind the resistance R1, and positive and negative point connect to another point of these resistors. Negative point is the reference point which is required for voltmeter, and it is not required for ammeter, just required for voltmeter. Place another voltmeter. Now we will place current meter in series with this circuit. Now I will place, then circuit will be completed for simulation. Now we will run the circuit. In this there are some sub menus: interactive, transient, AC sweep, DC output. Then run the simulator circuit by pressing the run button. These are the some features. In this grapher we can see only graph, and here we see the just only diagram, and in this menu we can see as diagram and graph also. They now run the simulation by pressing this button. After pressing this button, the values are given: voltage across the resistance and current in the circuits. See voltage and current of this series resistance. We can stop this simulation by pressing the stop reset button. We can see the graph of this diagram, or see the graph and circuit diagram both. We will stop the circuit simulation. We can save this circuit by pressing the save button, save menu. We can save as public or private. We can give the name for this circuit. We can give the description also for this circuit. For the private, when we save as a private, nobody can see and nobody can change the circuit, and when we save as public, everyone will see this circuit. There are two options, public and private. we can prepare and save as public for C to various technical persons which use multi-sim simulator circuit online. Okay, thank you. Please like and share my video. Thank you.